My name is Shabi. I study 8th standard at Vidyasri Academy. Today I am here to share few lines on World Earth Day. World Earth Day is celebrated on 22 April every year. It was first celebrated in USA in 1970. They show love and care for our planet. It's remember for everyone to protect and keep it clean and healthy. It's time to value nature and future to protect Earth. The future is our Earth. It is a planet. Let's make promise to protect our Earth and clean. Thank you, everyone.
World Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April. It is celebrated in USA at the first time. Our Earth gives us clean air, clean water, etc. But Earth is very sad because it is very dirty. We, we should keep our Earth clean. We should keep our environment clean for the future. The future of our planet is in our hand. Let us all promise together to keep our earth clean and healthy. Thank you.
World Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April every year. The day is celebrated to increase public awareness of the Earth's sustainable environment. On this mass tree plantation program are conducted across the world. Earth is only known planet that support life. Earth Day is a chance for us to keep our Earth clean. Thank
World
you.
Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. It is a special day. It is celebrated all over the world. Earth provides us air, water, and food, etc. It is our responsibility to save Earth. Let's promise today that to save and protect our Earth so it becomes beautiful for us and our future generation. Thank
World
you.
Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April. This day is celebrated to protect our Earth. Earth is only planet that have life. We should save Earth. We save water, electricity, and plant more and more trees. Earth is the only beautiful planet in our solar system. Let us promise all together to protect our Earth and make it happy.
Earth
Thank you.
Day is celebrated on 22nd April every year. It is a very special day. This day we grow more plants and trees. It keep our earth safe and clean. It is a very beautiful planet. Thank. Let's promise together all together that keep our earth safe and clean. Thank
World
you.
Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. World Earth Day is a special day to celebrate worldwide to show love and care for our nature. It's remind us to protect the nature and environment that is clean. We conserve water and trees, planting more and more. Thank
Earth
you.
is our only home. It gives us air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and beautiful environment to live in. World Earth Day remind us of our responsibility to protect and care for our Earth. Small steps like planting more trees, saving water, and reduce plastic use can make big differences. Let us promise today that we will protect our Earth.
Day
Thank you.
celebrated on 22nd of April is a reminder to protect our planet. It is a day to call to address our planet and environment like pollution and deforestation to adopting habits. Let's us honor our challenges to protect our planet like reducing waste, conserving water and planting trees. Thank
World
you.
Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April in every year. This day reminds us to protect our earth. This earth gave us water, food, shelter, and air to stay alive. We should not waste water and electricity. We should plant more and more trees to keep our surrounding clean. We should reuse and recycle things. Let us all promise to protect and take care our earth.
World
Thank you.
Earth Day is celebrated 22nd April every year. It was first celebrated in US in 1970 in USA. It makes our planet clean and green. It makes let's protect our earth
Thank you. Today remind us all that it gives us food to eat, water to drink, and air to breathe. It was first observed in 1970 to create awareness about environmental protection. We are the student of class 9, 10th. We are the future of this country. Small steps can make big difference. We can plant trees, say no to plastic, save electricity and water. We, if everyone of take as responsibility, we can heal our planet. So let us promise together to protect our environment, but not on only Earth Day, on a very single day, because healthy Earth means healthy future to all of us. Thank you and happy World Earth Day to all of you.